Hey, let him do it. You're being nice and gentle. It's very good, buddy. Not in her mouth. Just pretend.
She wants that. We'll have to take her. Not so good. Mom, this doctor's not working out very well.
Well, he's having his turn. If you want a turn, you can have a turn too, okay? He's doing a good job.
No.
Gentle, Easton, gentle. Don't push too hard.
Time for the nail shot. Comes out very easily.
Really gentle. Don't push too hard on her, okay? Really, really gentle. Gentle. Don't push on her arm too hard.
I'll tell for your method. Now you're supposed to use this special meter. Yeah, I need that. You're supposed to use this. No, this. Ethan, I forgot about this.
Really
too.
gentle. Don't put it in her eye.
Yeah. What is this for?
Just pretend. Don't touch her skin with that because I don't want you hurting her.
So what next? That's it. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. Mom, he's alright.
She's all right. And be careful.
He's alright.
Okay, be careful. I don't want you falling on her. Look at, she just sat up by herself.
Is he learning?
Yeah. Look at that. She wants to get up and go somewhere.
But she kept Mom, can't put candy. I think.
Where do you want me to put her?
Can you put her on your lap?
Okay. Well, first, Cambria, did you like your checkup?
I think it's.
Was that a good
time
checkup?
now. This time we're going to use it.
Okay, Taylor's going to be the doctor now. You going to do a checkup on Easton?
Just wait.